All right, guys, we got you guys something nice. 2021 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Nice olive green. There's that badge. There she is. Hemi. Oh. And the phone rings. Anyways, as you guys can see from the box, it says Black Widow exhaust, Angry Housewife, Race Venom, 6-inch. Anyways, so there's the stock converters there and there. Then wise into an X pipe, not wise, goes into an X pipe, 2.5-inch all the way back. Then we got these beautiful Black Widows right there, right there. Part number WIDEBODY-25-P, as in Peter. Anyways, if you guys want it, we'll have a link in the description for you guys. They are right there. Then you always want to leave the valves in unless you get them deleted. They sell special programming for that tune, you know. And then we did a rear muffler delete or resonator delete, whatever you want to call it, into his factory tips. They came out nice already on it, so we didn't change them. He might come back later on and we'll change them. SRT. Anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. Like I told you guys, they come in pairs. So we got two Hellcats, a 2021 and a 2018 Challenger and Charger. One's getting carbon, ours. The other one is getting straight pipe. We're gonna do a challenge on this one for you guys. I wanna see what you guys think. Which one sounds better? The straight pipe on it, or we had Angry Housewives, Black Widows on it. So I'm gonna do a comparison video for that and see what you guys think. Woohoo! That's nice. Angry Housewife, baby. She sounds angry. I think she's angry. Black Widow, Race Venom's Angry Housewife. There's 118. Here it is at idle. That sounds really nice. You like it? Huh? We did the exhaust on it. Hellcat. He brought in his wife a week ago and now he brought this one in. That sounds awesome. It's so smooth. If you guys want just mean without no raspiness, go with the Angry Housewife. Let you guys hear on the inside. This is what it sounds like with straight pipes now. Tim, 1 second. No more neighbor haters. Again? It's right at 120 now. Are you happy? Are you happy now? Right, buddy. From classy to beast in 30 minutes. So you guys like this better or the Angry Housewife? Those really clean Black Widow sound. You guys can see it's really loud. Let you guys hear on the inside. He said he's gonna go slow. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. He's gonna take off like a grandpa. I think he is a grandpa. Let's see. Yeah, I think he's happy now. You can still hear it.